Just thinking here. Hi, this is Chris Greenwood. I'm the Global Product Manager for the Walk Behind category at Tennant. Mechanized floor cleaning is something that allows an operator to more effectively clean the floors versus mopping. And it's done by the use of an auto scrubber, as we have here. This is a T260. It allows the operator to put water down, scrub the floors with a set of brushes, and then pick it up with a squeegee on the back end and deposit all of the debris and the solution into the recovery tank, leaving behind a clean, dry floor. So in this example here, we have the T260. It's a very simple, basic walk-behind scrubber, and we'll do a quick overview here. This is every walk-behind scrubber that you see, every scrubber that you see effectively has these things in varying sizes. There's always a solution tank, which holds the water, and it could be water, it could be chemical as well mixed with that. You have a scrub head or a set of brushes, which then are scrubbing the floor and cleaning the debris, pulling that out of there. And then we have a squeegee, and the squeegee is, in this case, a parabolic squeegee, which then allows you to siphon all of the water into a vac fan, which then deposits it into the recovery tank system. So some of the largest benefits would be labor savings, the ability to clean more efficiently. Depending upon the size of the machine, you can save quite a bit of time and labor hours in doing it. You can also be more effective with the clean that you have. The auto scrubber is cleaning the floor. In addition to that, it's picking up the debris and putting it into the recovery tank. Additionally, you also have benefits from a safety standpoint, where you're leaving a dry surface behind the scrubber as opposed to having to have it air dry if you're mopping. This is the 20-inch scrubber, and you'll find it across all sorts of environments. You'll find it in schools, you'll find it in hospitals, you'll find it in retail environments. You'll find it in a lot of areas where there's a lot of traffic. And one of the benefits that we have from a scrubber is the fact that not only are you cleaning, but you're also leaving a dry path behind it. As opposed to if you were to be mopping, say in a busy area, you're creating a lot of risk. That's a risk for customers to slip, to fall, and that's something that a scrubber can really help you with. While a mechanized machine, whether it's this very simple T260 or a robotic scrubber, there's additional maintenance that always needs to be performed with these machines. So be prepared to do the daily tasks that you have, to check the squeegees, to check the brushes, to ensure that the machine continues to operate at peak performance. Those are things that you may not be aware of if you're currently mopping.